Hi and welcome back to SmartER, and today we're going to look at replacing the air filter that sits in the engine bay. So it's only a less than 5 minute job really once you've got all your tools together, but again, nice, simple, clear, straightforward instructions on how to do it. So just remove the rear carpet, and then you have these 6 fasteners. Now I've got a Torx 50 here. You can just use your fingers if you like, and or a big flat blade screwdriver, but I try this for a change. So now I make a big job of trying to get the engine cover out, and it looks like a scene from the Chucker Brothers. To me, to you, to me, to you. There we are, and it's finally out. So I just set that aside. So this is where the airbox lives, and this is the actual lid of the airbox that we're going to need to remove. So you need a flat blade screwdriver to remove the hose clip, or some people call it a Jubilee clip, and that connects the corrugated hose to go into the airbox, and it literally just slack it off and pull it. It's very flexible, it just pulls off. So we pull it back a little and lift it up. Now there are just 2 retaining screws. They're Torx screws. There's a small Torx bit, I think. Don't quote me, I'll put it in the description box. I think it's a Torx 8, but I will correct it. So there's just 2 at the back. So just slacken those off. Now I always slacken those off and go all the way to the end so that the thread catches on the nylon part of the housing, so there's no danger of them coming all the way out but also dropping into the engine bay. And then it's just a simple point of tilting it from the screws upwards, and then you have these 2 lugs here, these corrugated lugs there. They're slightly chamfered, so they go in like a heel and toe method. So one end only goes in like this, and then lever back to reinstall it, and I'll show you later. So here's the well used air filter. It's not that bad, to be honest. I just thought I'd show you what it looks like, and a quick inspection of the air collector box just to make sure there's nothing in there that shouldn't be. It was very clean, no leaves, no particles. So it should be crystal white, the back of the air filter, which is a sort of a cottony type synthetic material. There's a bit of carbon deposits in there, no seeds, or so it's done a pretty good job. But this car is really having an easy life at the moment, just for short commutes. So here's the replacement. It's a pattern part, reputable brand. I think it was £6. Got it from eBay. Literally came in a couple of days. This is a little different look. So you've got the corrugations, but then you have like an extra filter pad on the top. So I've not seen this before. So I thought I'd try and pull it off, but no, it is part of the build of the actual pattern piece. And again, just a quick comparison of what they look like before and after. So a bit of a camera angle change. So be very careful, try not to get any dust or anything in the new air filter, and no grubbiness on the top as well. So it literally just sits in the housing, and remember, you push it in this way into the lugs first. So if you have a look at an angle, so point it in first, and then it just clips down, so it locates into the receivers where the lugs go. And then you just got to do up the Torx screws. Now if you found this useful, I really would appreciate at least a thumbs up. Subscribe. I've got quite a bit more content coming, and the last few days I think I've done 4 videos now. So I've got my stuff together. I've got my act together now. Now it's just a case of reconnecting the flexi hose and tightening up the hose clip, or Jubilee clip as some people call it, and just do it up until it gets tight. You don't have to go absolutely mental with it. And that's pretty much it. About a 5-minute job. Thanks for watching. Cup of tea time.